Hey, hey, my name is RGC Brown and welcome to my channel. So today we're getting into this cute little, I've dubbed it like a bubblegum grunge 60s vibe thing. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, I love blue. I love that. It's just so good. It's so good. So you already know. So good. Feeling myself. But anyway, you already know. Sit back, relax, and let's do some makeup, shall we? Okay, so I've already done one eye. For the most part, I'm gonna add some stuff. We're going back to some gems and whatnot, but we got this. So let's keep it going. Okay, so let's start out. So to start, I'm going to do my Melt Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow base in ultra white. So I wanted that really, really pop. You feel me? This look is actually pretty simple. It does not take much, to be honest. So sorry this video is late. My bestie's been here for like a week and I didn't want to film. I was living in the moment. I was having fun. I was doing shrimps. So, you know. But thank y'all for sticking with me. I was going to make sure I got this done by today, which is Sunday. Yes, I'm filming the same day it's gonna drop. So I got my nails done. You guys already know it's my own design. We've gotten this out the way. I'm going to take my, where is it? I'm going to take my NYX, that's the point, so I can outline this shape and then we clean it up. Okay, just a light rough estimate, but I'm going to have to clean. See that black mark right there? I'm going to have to fix that. So that is not supposed to be there. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip and clean this up so that it is nice and sharp. Honestly, I think the thing that takes the longest for this look is this part. So real job. Okay, it's not as wide, but it's gonna get fixed. Don't you worry. So I'm gonna go into my Melt Cosmetics Halloween Town palette, and I'm gonna use. Where is it? I'm gonna use this one right here. It's called Ragdoll. So I'm gonna go in with my Sunny Kesha large eyeshadow brush, and we just gonna tap that out. Thank you. Have an idea. And now we're gonna take my ring close up. Done. No more. No more lock doors. So anyway, I'm gonna take my Eyeshadow Cosmetics gel liner in black. Take my new favorite little angled liner brush. And I'm essentially going to just trace out. I'm just gonna trace this so it turns into this. Just got it outlined a little bit. I am gonna take my Q-tip and clean up the outside of the black just a little bit before I go back into it. Okay, now we're gonna close up the gel liner. Gonna close that up. We're almost done. Now I've done that, I'm going to take my Two by Beauty's Bunnies only because I need the black. It doesn't really matter what black you use. Y'all already know that this is my favorite black to use. So I'm going to my Warriors to Julia's place, and with that, I'm going to use this little brush right here and kind of just make a line a bit darker. You know, get a little shade painted going on. You feel me? Okay, so with this, I'm kind of keeping the middle part a bit thinner, so I'm only really doing the outer corners to make that a little darker in shade. Boom. Now, last step for this. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Wet n Wild Nightmare Before Christmas palette. And just because it's pretty much the same color, just adds like a little shimmer shimmer. But yeah, just adds a little shimmer shimmer. I'm gonna go into this blue right here. I'm gonna use my NARS Light Radiant. It's Light Radiant. Say this all. I say this one more time. Light reflecting foundation. If we ever got divorced, we'd get married again. Is that runs with vapes? Is that runs with vapes? Reddit calls him runs with vapes. I love my bunkies. I'm gonna take my BK Beauty 101 brush. It's currently my absolute favorite foundation brush, y'all. So good. Tapped a little extra, but I put the Milani Make It Last on, and notice I did not put a primer on, and that is simply because, y'all, this beat is just for YouTube. I'm not going anywhere else. Actually, I might, but fuck it. I don't necessarily plan on going anywhere in this, so, you know. But y'all also know how I draw primers, so very iffy on if I actually want to use them. Also, I'm trying to get better at looking at the camera instead of looking at the big thing because I'm just so used to just looking at myself. But I'm trying to make that a New Year's resolution. Is there something in my lens that just light? Oh no, that's just a reflection. My bad. Okay. So I'm gonna take my Milani Concealer Perfect. I did it color correct. I should start. I hate when thing that's stuck because it's gonna get all muddy. But it needs to be done. Actually, little. Again, kind of a hot mess, but we move. All over the place. I haven't done my makeup in like some change. Free balling, y'all. Okay. So now put my lighter shade in my inner corner. So that's it for a second. May cause death. Okay. So let's figure out a color for the cheeks. I'm gonna end up doing my melt, please, because it's that cool. I don't think that I love so much. So I'm gonna go in with my Elf Cosmetics in shade Bora Bora, my Elf Putty. Does it say how far the syrup is? Done. Okay, so I'm gonna take my biggest spray it once. Tap that off so I don't miss separation. And go big. Oh, good. I think one of my next videos that I'm gonna post for you guys is gonna be my database routine because it's just been eating just num 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 nums. Okay, so now that we've done that, so pretend I'm actually gonna use my marker. See, I haven't used that in a minute for my setting powder. Okay, it's like my Tian Cosmetics Prism Puff. My Studio Fix Plus and W bag. And my buffing brush. That's a foundation brush. And it's take my Not Cosmetics blush shade Beats Me. Or just please, sorry. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to do my lashes real quick and then come back and do everything else. Okay, now that I've done the top lashes, let's get into smoking up the bottom just a little bit, I'm gonna take my Smoke Me Epic Smoke Liner from NYX. Okay, done with that. Let's add some shadows. I don't know where, but let's see how I feel. Feeling it. Definitely want to add it to the other side. And that just feels like it makes sense. I'm gonna keep that. Let's get into the lips. I'm gonna start with my Melt Cosmetics Caffeine Pencil. Okay. Take my black lip liner from NYX. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna use the Cirque from Melt Cosmetics. I'll get that in a second. Last Bomb and Fussy. And done. Okay. I feel I don't know what to call her, but it feels very like semi bubblegum mod grunge. I don't know, but I feel so cute. I feel kind of dainty, but I still feel like that girl. You feel me? So yeah. I'm also feeling this little lip combination that I got going on. It listen. So get into it. Get into it. I hope you guys like it. You already know I'm obsessed with it. And if you do like it, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. And if you don't, keep that to yourself. Okay. Then I will see you guys in some days. Bye.